So what's it like daily driving a Mustang S550 convertible? Is there enough room for your stuff? In today's episode, we're going to find out. My name is Mike, the channel is Mike Fyxdt. We have a 2019 Mustang GT Convertible. We're going on a little bit of a trip, and I want to know, can you fit enough in the trunk of a Mustang Convertible for a family of 3 for a 1-week vacation? Now, before we go out and start the clinical trial, let me give you a little bit of background. The S550 Mustang Fastback has a 13.5 cubic foot trunk. The convertible is a little bit less. It is 11.1, so that is 2.4 cubic feet less. Now the reason for this is there is space in the trunk compartment to store the top. So when that top is down, it takes up some of the trunk space. Now I do not have the subwoofer in my car. Otherwise we're going to start with an empty trunk, and we're going to try to answer the question whether or not the S550 Mustang Convertible is a daily driver and can be a vacation cruiser. Let's go find out. So in a perfect world, this is everything that we were hoping to bring. We have a 3-piece luggage set, a camera bag. This is just a luxury kit with first aid and just some things for the car, some GoPro mounts, some quick spray. We've got a couple of stunt kites. We have a cooler. We have 2 relatively small beach chairs, and we have an umbrella. So we are going to try to fit this all into the trunk. And as I'm standing here looking at it, I'm thinking to myself, there's no way. So I'll tell you what, let's take care of the white elephant in the room, and that's this. That is this. Something tells me standing here that there is no way this is going to fit in that trunk with room for anything else. Let's give it a try. Well, that's a good start. It does fit, but there really isn't any room for anything else. Let's see if we turn this sideways. Well, wiggle it just a little bit. Okay, so if we push it back and to the side, then we can get it in there. And there's some room around the edges here, but I just think that this one case is, it's not practical. So unfortunately, no matter how we put this in there, this piece is just gonna have to stay home. Okay, we're down to the bare minimals now. We have 2 cases, camera bag, cooler, and some other play stuff. And you know what? If we can get this in, we just might be able to do this trip. So let's go ahead and see if this will all fit into the 11.4 cubic feet of the Mustang trunk. In the back, there's a ledge. It kind of goes deep back here, and but it only goes to about 8 inches high. So we got this cooler specifically to fit all the way back. So let's try that. We're gonna put that all the way toward the back. Now I know the camera bag is also kind of shallow, so let's see if we can slide that all the way in the back, and that takes up that hollow very nicely. Okay, what's next? I'm feeling pretty good about this going in. Will it fit next to the cooler? And it does. All right, looks like we have a place for this now. That's looking good. And I should point out right now on the side over there and the side over here, we have some space. So let's see Let's see, what kind of height do we have? Can we sneak some of this stuff back there? Beach chairs. Okay, that's one. That's two. Umbrellas and kites. That fits nicely there. So this, I'm sure very nicely, will sit here. Okay, there you have it. It is not a huge trunk, but I have to tell you, it is very serviceable. Success. Quick summary. I am pretty darn sure that when we actually go to pack and see just how much stuff we have, that we're going to exceed the capacity of those bags. So really, whether or not we bring the Mustang on this trip, you know, it's going to come down to a convenience. It's a judgment call. You know, we've kidded about maybe getting like a U-Haul trailer, putting a hitch on the car and just putting all of our crap in there. You see, we're kind of spoiled because we've had a minivan and used to just be able to just pack that thing to the hilt, and there's no limit to what you can bring if you have a van. So right now, this is sort of an interesting exercise for us trying to fit it all into the trunk of the Mustang. This car is really good, and pretty good, you know, really good. It's better than many sports cars. It has the back seat, it has the trunk, and it is a lot of fun, and the top comes down. And you know, sometimes at the end of the day, that's all you have to know. So it is what it is, and it does what it's supposed to do very, very well. I'm actually very pleased. I'm very pleased with just how much stuff fit in that trunk. So, well, I hope this has been helpful. So let's go back to the studio and let's wrap this one up. In the meantime, I look forward to your comments. If you have any suggestions or if you have any experiences, either going on a vacation with a Mustang or Mustang Convertible, let me know. If there's anything that I am flat out forgetting that I need to bring on this vacation, let me know too. Time is ticking. I appreciate the insight. Well, there you have it. Not quite as much stuff as I was hoping would fit, but perhaps more than I thought was going to fit. Hey, thanks very much for watching. My name's Mike. If you like videos like this and want to see more Mustang GT action, please click like, click subscribe, share with your friends, and leave your comments in the space below. So for now, be good, be well, be safe, and I will talk to you very, very soon in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.